So in our MBA programs, we work very hard to ensure that you have the resources that you need to be put in front of employers, to be able to find positions to apply to, but also to develop a successful career search, to give you the skills to craft a resume that employers want to see. We have full-time career services that dedicated professionals that work with you one-on-one or in a workshop setting. In the Residential MBA program, you'll start right off with a course on career preparation, and you'll start working closely with our Career Center staff to prepare you to work with employers. Whether you're in the online MBA program, we have full-time career services professionals available to you down at our CRC campus, which is down in Schenectady, New York, or online or here in Potsdam at our main campus. There are a lot of opportunities for you to work with, be mentored by, and be ready to talk to an employer and to tell them all about why they should hire you. So in addition to all of the things that we've talked about with career services and preparing you, the measure of that success, of course, is how many students are receiving job offers by the time graduation comes or shortly thereafter. In the Residential MBA program, we've consistently placed within 3 months of graduation 95% of our students with an average starting salary of $72,000.